Greetings, how's it going? My name's Jar Warlock. Welcome back to the Zavvi channel. Today, we're unboxing, building, and showing off some more Lego. And it is, in fact, this from Lego Creator, the iconic Fiat 500. Quick details, number 77942 and 960 pieces to build one of the most iconic and classic cars around. There was originally a yellow version of this set, but this is the new version with light blue, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Before we begin, I'll just very quickly tell you that this was such an iconic car. It had an engine in the back instead of the front, as most cars do now. It was 2 doors only, and it was built between 57 and 75. I believe that's enough out of me. Let's cut this open, get the pieces out, and we'll time-lapse the build. You know what's really satisfying about Lego? When it's complete. Just some things just look so good. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, what a design. I now want a Fiat 500. Please someone buy me one. This is 11 centimeters high, 24 centimeters long, and 11 centimeters wide. And it is a beautiful design. I love the sleekness of that. And that baby blue light color, just really tips the scales. It's a fantastic look. There are 3 number plates on this that you can choose from. Currently on this, we have the Italian number plate, which is TOFO 1965, which means Torino, Florence, where it was originally built, 1965, because this is the 1965 model. There is the Danish plate, DK77942, because DK for the Danish plates, and the 77942, because that is the set number. The German plate is slightly different. It is PN 77942, and the PN isn't a German town like you would think. It stands for Pierre Normandin, apologies if I said your name wrong, the guy who designed this very Lego set. That's a lovely little touch. Right, the actual vehicle, of course, as we've seen, is beautiful. So as we can see, this keeps the iconic doors on the Fiat. It's just a beautiful way that they open. The seats are fantastic as well. Like, they give you that sort of leather look, and I love the way that Lego does that. The front seats that do move forward, so you can have access to the back, because this was such a small car, but you could fit a few people in there. So you'd actually get a painting of the iconic Fiat 500 in front of the Colosseum in Rome, which is brilliant. And of course, an easel that you would have painted it on, which includes paintbrush and paints. And the paintbrush and the paints can actually fit inside of the luggage case, which can sit on the back of the Fiat 500. I love that luggage case as well. It just, with all the little stickers, that's something I kind of miss, where you have all these stickers and it shows you've been to those countries. So this is a well-traveled car. The bonnet does of course open, and there is a spare tire inside. So if you do happen to have a flat tire, you do have a spare one in the front. The sort of, I don't know how you would describe it, but the sort of rollback, pullback roof, which is a lovely design. And you sometimes see iconic images of people, usually women, sort of standing up through the top of the roof while somebody drives down the road. It's quite iconic and I love it. And then on the back, you have an immensely detailed rear engine, because most cars don't have a rear engine anymore. They're in the front, but this was a rear engine car, and it is some superb details when you see inside of that engine. This is like one of my favorite Lego sets that I've had the pleasure of building. Absolutely stunning. I love it. It's so small, it's so simple, but it's absolutely brilliant. And it's iconic. If you want to grab your own, link down below in the description, or possibly in a card up there, if I remember. And while you're down there, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this Lego set. What is your favourite Lego set? In the meantime though, feel free to check out some other videos. I've been Joe Warlock, this has been Zavvi, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.